Hi there, this is Laura from Aura Studio Space, and this is a quick tutorial on the Serenity Studio template. Now, this template is perfect for any Pilates, yoga, or any studio that wants to handle bookings and payments all in one platform. You can do that with this template. Before I go into the Wix Editor and show you how easy it is to edit your template, I'm going to quickly go through all the pages of the template so you can have an idea of everything that is included. First page is your home page. This is the front door of your business. You can add photos of your studio. You can add all the classes that you offer, testimonials, call to actions, more photos, your address, and your operating hours. The second page is the About Us page. This is where you can share the story of your studio and introduce your instructors. The third page is the classes info page. Here you can add all the information about your classes so your clients know exactly what to expect. The fourth page is your pricing page. Here you can list all of your packages, memberships, and promotions. The fifth page is the booking page. Here is where you will find the integrated booking system for your template, and you can change the name of the class, the time, the instructor, how many spots each of the classes have, and people can easily come here and book their classes. There's more information on how to edit the booking system for Wix on the user's manual of this template. Also, if you want to delete this booking system and install your preferred booking system to this template, you can absolutely do that. Page number 6 is your contact page, where you can add all your contact details, your location. There is also a built-in form that people can use to contact your business. And you have frequently asked questions, so you can save time answering the same questions. Pages 7 and 8 are your blog and your video gallery page, where you can share information related to your business or recorded classes from your studio. Page number 9 is a 404 page that you can use to keep lost visitors on your site. And there are instructions on how to connect this page on the user's manual of this template. Page number 10 is a highly detailed single service page that is currently set up as a how to become an instructor page with curriculums and testimonials. But you can turn this into a high ticket workshop landing page or even a retreat landing page. And the last page is your social links page. This is how it looks on mobile. And I love this page because you can save money on any type of link in bio subscription and just keep all your Instagram or social media traffic right here on your own domain. And now we are here on the Wix Editor, and I'm going to use your home page to show you how easy it is to customize your template. But first, I want to mention that you can find all of your pages here on the side. And if you go down here to manage pages, you will find all of the pages from your template, and you can change the name of the page. You can move them, and that will also change the order that they have on the side menu. You can also hide a page, like in the case of the 404 page, that is typically hidden from the menu. And you can also add a page. Now, if you go here on this plus sign, you will find all of the elements that you can add to your website. So if you find that you need more text, more images, more buttons, you'll find all of it here, and you can add them to your template. Now, let's jump in. So if you want to edit your text, you can simply click on the text, go to edit text, and you can change the fonts, the size, the colors. And if you go here, you can actually edit the text. Now, if you want to change an image, just click on the image, change image, and you can upload your own images. If you want to change the elements, the color of the elements, just click on the element, go here, customize design, fill color, click on here, go here, and you can change the color of that element. If you want to change the color of the background, you can click on the background, change background, and you can even add images and videos to your background. Now, down here, you will find a gallery. So to add elements to the gallery, just click on it, go to Manage Media, and you can upload your own images. On this section right here, where you can find the different classes that you offer on your studio, I'm going to show you how to edit these images. You can duplicate this. You can add more if you want. But to actually edit the images, you will have to move these boxes that are over the image. Yeah, there is a box over the image that has a transparent background. So you will need to move this box, click on the image below, change image, and upload your own image. Now, on the left side, when you hover over these images, it will show this. So the name of the class and a little description for the class. So to edit this, just click on hover. If you want to change the color, just click here and go to this icon. And if you want to change the name, just click on the text and you can change the name and the description. Now, down here, you will find the testimonials. And to change that, just click on the text. And to move around the testimonials, just click on this arrows. If you want to add more testimonials, just click on Manage Slides. And there you can find a button to add more slides and more testimonials. Here you will find a call to action that you can edit. Here is another gallery that you can add your images. And this is the footer. So anything that you change here will also be changed on the other pages. So you can find your address. You can change your address here and your operating hours. And there's more information on how this footer or how footers work and how to edit them in your user's manual. Now, I want to talk about these dotted lines. So these are called grid lines. And these are very important because if you place anything outside of these lines, it won't be visible on smaller screens like tablets. So what I recommend is that you keep everything that is important, like every text that is important inside of these lines. So we can guarantee that it's visible on every screen. Now, a little trick that you can use when editing your template is you can duplicate this section and edit this section and compare it to the main section if you don't know how things are going to look, if you are unsure on if anything is going to look good, you can do this trick. And this is like a safe or a bulletproof way to edit your site without messing things up. Now, another important thing of your website is your mobile view. This is how your site looks on phones. And it's important that you come here and check how your site looks every time that you make a change on your main site, because things might not always look the same as they do on the main site. Sometimes things here get moved around and they don't look right. So you are going to have to move things around to make them look right for the phone view. Also, anything that you add here on the mobile view won't affect your main site. So that's important to know. And you can also hide elements here and it won't affect your main view. And those are the basics on how to edit your template. There is more in-depth information on how to fully customize your template on your user's manual. And if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you. And thanks for watching this tutorial.